Welcome to Possible Medico Walla. Today we are going to do top 25 nursing MCQs, so let's start the question and answer. What is the normal range of an adult's respiratory rate? Option A, 8 to 12 breaths per minute. Option B, 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Option C, 20 to 30 breaths per minute. Option D, 30 to 40 breaths per minute. Answer B, 12 to 20 breaths per minute. The normal adult respiratory rate is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. Which of the following is a common symptom of hypoglycemia? Option A, dry skin. Option B, excessive thirst. Option C, confusion. Option D, weight gain. Answer C, confusion. Hypoglycemia can cause confusion, dizziness, and sweating due to low blood glucose levels. The best position for a patient experiencing dyspnea is Option A, supine. Option B, prone. Option C, Fowler's position. Option D, Trendelenburg. Answer C, Fowler's position. Fowler's position, semi-sitting, helps improve lung expansion and ease breathing. Which type of isolation precaution is used for tuberculosis? Option A, contact. Option B, droplet. Option C, airborne. Option D, standard. Answer C, airborne. TB is transmitted via airborne particles, requiring airborne precautions such as N95 masks. The first step in the nursing process is Option A, planning. Option B, implementation. Option C, assessment. Option D, evaluation. Answer C, assessment. The nursing process follows at PI, assessment, diagnosis, planning, implementation, and evaluation. Which electrolyte imbalance is associated with muscle cramps and TENI? Option A, hyperkalemia. Option B, hypocalcemia. Option C, hypernatremia. Option D, hypermagnesemia. Answer B, hypocalcemia. Hypocalcemia causes neuromuscular excitability, leading to TENI and muscle cramps. A patient with left-sided heart failure is likely to experience Option A, peripheral edema. Option B, hepatomegaly. Option C, pulmonary congestion. Option D, jugular vein distension. Answer C, pulmonary congestion. Left-sided heart failure leads to pulmonary congestion due to fluid backup in the lungs. Which medication is an anticoagulant? Option A, digoxin. Option B, warfarin. Option C, metformin. Option D, atorvastatin. Answer B, warfarin. Warfarin is an anticoagulant used to prevent blood clots. The normal pH range of blood is Option A, 6.8 to 7.2. Option B, 7.35 to 7.45. Option C, 7.5 to 8. Option D, 7 to 7.2. Answer B, 7.35 to 7.45. The normal blood pH range is 7.35 to 7.45, maintaining acid-base balance. The universal blood donor is Option A, type A. Option B, type B. Option C, type AB. Option D, type O. Answer D, type O. Type O blood has no AB antigens, making it universally safe for transfusions. Which of the following is a sign of shock? Option A, hypertension. Option B, bradycardia. Option C, tachycardia. Option D, hyperglycemia. Answer C, tachycardia. Shock often leads to tachycardia as the body compensates for low blood pressure. Which injection route is best for administering insulin? Option A, intramuscular. Option B, intravenous. Option C, subcutaneous. Option D, intradermal. Answer C, subcutaneous. Insulin is administered subcutaneously to allow gradual absorption. The best method to confirm endotracheal tube placement is Option A, auscultation. Option B, chest X-ray. Option C, capnography. Option D, patient verbalization. Answer C, capnography. Capnography detects CO2, confirming proper ETT placement. Which symptom is most common in dehydration? Option A, bradycardia. Option B, edema. Option C, hypertension. Option D, hyperthermia. Answer C, hypertension. Dehydration reduces blood volume, causing low blood pressure. What is the normal serum potassium range? Option A, 2.5 to 3.5 MEqL. Option B, 3.5 to 5 MEqL. Option C, 5.5 to 6.5 MEqL. Option D, 6 to 7.5 MEqL. Answer B, 3.5 to 5 MEqL. The normal potassium level is 3.5 to 5 MEqL, essential for muscle and heart function. Which law protects patient confidentiality? Option A, HIPAA. Option B, OSHA. Option C, IMTALA. Option D, ADA. Answer A, HIPAA. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, safeguards patient privacy. What is the main function of the large intestine? Option A, absorption of water. Option B, digestion of proteins. Option C, absorption of nutrients. Option D, breakdown of fats. Answer A, absorption of water. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from waste. Which part of the brain controls breathing? Option A, cerebellum. Option B, medulla oblongata. Option C, hypothalamus. Option D, cerebrum. Answer B, medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata regulates involuntary functions like breathing. Which of these is a common side effect of opioid analgesics? Option A, diarrhea. Option B, hypertension. Option C, respiratory depression. Option D, tachycardia. Answer C, respiratory depression. Opioids depress the central nervous system, leading to respiratory depression. The best way to prevent hospital-acquired infections is Option A, wearing gloves. Option B, hand hygiene. Option C, using antibiotics. Option D, isolation. Answer B, hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is the most effective way to prevent infection transmission. Which artery is used for measuring blood pressure? Option A, brachial. Option B, carotid. Option C, radial. Option D, femoral. Answer A, brachial. The brachial artery is commonly used for BP measurement. What is the recommended time for hand washing? Option A, 5 seconds. Option B, 10 seconds. Option C, 15 to 20 seconds. Option D, 30 seconds. Answer C, 15 to 20 seconds. Washing hands for 15 to 20 seconds effectively removes pathogens. Which condition requires droplet precautions? Option A, measles. Option B, influenza. Option C, tuberculosis. Option D, chickenpox. Answer B, influenza. Influenza spreads via droplets, requiring a surgical mask for protection. What is the maximum volume for an intramuscular injection in the deltoid muscle? Option A, 1 ml. Option B, 2 ml. Option C, 3 ml. Option D, 5 ml. Answer A, 1 ml. The deltoid can hold up to 1 ml of medication safely. What is the primary role of hemoglobin? Option A, transporting oxygen. Option B, fighting infections. Option C, clotting blood. Option D, regulating electrolytes. Answer A, transporting oxygen. Hemoglobin in red blood cells carries oxygen throughout the body. Don't forget. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.